Good morning, everyone. Our esteemed dignitaries have arrived. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. Their charismatic personalities have radiated positivity in the auditorium.
आज हमारे बीच प्रबंधन समिति के सदस्य एम के चौबे जी, माननीय डॉक्टर हरिप्रसाद राय जी, विद्यालय की प्राचार्य डॉक्टर सुष्मिता सावंत, उप प्राचार्य श्रीमती स्मिता अय्यर, प्राथमिक विभाग की प्रमुख अध्यापिका श्रीमती ममता शाह और पूर्व प्राथमिक विभाग की प्रमुख अध्यापिका श्रीमती मीनू असगोलकर सभागार में पधार चुकी हैं, जिनका जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत और अभिनंदन करेंगे।
Good morning, honorable members of the School Management Committee, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Primary Section Head, Pre-Primary Section Head, teachers, beloved parents, and dear students. It is both a privilege and a joy to extend a heartfelt welcome to each one of you as we gather for our 15th Annual Day celebration, a day that embodies the spirit of accomplishment and the essence of our collective endeavors. I, Shweta Singh, and my co-host
सुषमा राय
are the host for the day.
प्यारे साथियों, आज का दिन हमारे लिए सम्मान और खुशी का है। आज का दिन हमारे जीवन में एक नया उत्साह और नई ऊर्जा लेकर आया है। आप सबका साथ और सहयोग ही इस कार्यक्रम की सफलता का आधार है।
As we have gathered here today to embark on the luminous journey of our annual day celebration, let us honor tradition with the auspicious lighting of the lamp. May I now invite our esteemed guest, accompanied by our Honorable Principal Ma'am, members of a management committee, to come forward and join us in kindling this symbolic flame.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
धियो यो न
प्रचोदयात्।
धियो यो न
तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमय अर्थात अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर जाना। साथियों, दीपक अज्ञानता और अंधकार के भय को नष्ट कर ज्ञान और प्रकाश पुंज से सर्वत्र रोशनी उत्पन्न कर संपूर्णता के आनंद को प्रसारित करने का कार्य करता है। दीपक जलाकर हम स्वयं में एक नई शक्ति के संचार का अनुभव करते हैं। हमारे जीवन का कोई भी ऐसा शुभ कार्य नहीं होता है जो दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ शुरू न होता हो। अतः जलता हुआ दीपक हमारे विद्यालय के विद्यार्थियों को सदैव उनके लक्ष्य तक पहुंचाने और जीवन में सदैव आगे बढ़ते रहने के लिए सीख देता रहेगा।
The lamp with its steady flame is a timeless emblem of hope, purity, and purpose. It reflects the brilliance of the human spirit, the warmth of unity, and the radiance of collective aspiration. By igniting this light, we pay homage to the power of education and the boundless potential that lies within each one of us. Thank you, dignitaries. The key to student success is a great school, and the key to a great school is a great principal. Please give a big round of applause for our one and only one principal ma'am, Dr. Shushmita Sawant, to come up on the stage and address us.
A very good morning to each and every one of you today. Esteemed members of the School Management Committee, Vice Principal, Section Heads of the Pre-Primary and Primary Section, teachers, parents, and my dear students, I heartily welcome you all for today's 15th Annual Day function. It is my privilege and honor to acknowledge the presence of our esteemed School Management Committee member, Shri M.K. Chaube, sir. Sir, your support, guidance, and commitment to the growth and development of our institution is truly commendable. A gracious welcome to Dr. Hari Prasad Rai, sir, who ensures the smooth functioning of our school. I extend a warm welcome to the key pillars of our institution, Mrs. Smita Iyer, Madam, Vice Principal, the Primary Section Head, Mrs. Mamta Shah, Madam, Mrs. Meenu Asgolkar, Madam, the Pre-Primary Section Head. Your tireless efforts, vision, and teamwork truly makes this institution a thriving center of excellence. Thank you for your invaluable contributions. Dear parents, your support has always been the pillar of our strength. Thank you for entrusting us with the education and growth of your children. Together, we strive to nurture their talents, values, and dreams, ensuring they grow into confident and compassionate individuals. Teachers, you are the guiding lights who inspire and nurture our students every day, helping them to grow academically as well as the all-round development also. Your dedication to shaping the future is deeply valued and appreciated. Dear students, today's day is all about you. Your performances, your achievements, and your enthusiasm makes this event so special. Whether you excel in academics, sports, arts, or leadership, every one of you contributes to the spirit of our school in your unique way. Remember, this is your stage to shine, and we are here to celebrate you. I would now like to reflect upon the journey we have undertaken together over the past year. The year began on a positive and an impactful note by conducting a workshop for teachers on motivation and happy classrooms. A workshop on career guidance was conducted for the students and parents of grade 10. A workshop on light and motion was conducted for the students of grade 8 and 9. Teachers regularly attend workshops and cell meetings to ensure continuous professional development and keep them updated with the latest teaching methodologies and curriculum changes. A unique and a mesmerizing workshop on our musical heritage was organized for our students. The workshop was led by the esteemed Padma Shri, Dr. Soma Ghosh, and her talented team. The workshop focused on preserving the rich heritage of Indian classical music and nurturing a deep sense of appreciation for it among young learners. The recently concluded concert at Veda Auditorium, attended by our students and their parents, proved to be an unforgettable experience for them. Coming to the inter-school achievements, our school was also the host for the PE Ward folk dance competition. Our students of the pre-primary section participated in the handwriting Olympiad exam. 5 students of senior KG got gold medals. The names are displayed on the PowerPoint presentation. Our school was the host for the Professor Jigaro Kano Invitational Mumbai Judo Championship organized by the Bombay Judo Club. The competition took place in the month of August. 28 schools participated and our children also participated, and the total count was 1,608. 5 students bagged certificates and medals for their performance. We achieved 2 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze medal. Yes, it needs a round of applause. In the late Shri V.V. Bhatt inter-school judo competition, 2 students bagged the bronze medal, 2 silver and 1 gold. Another feather in our cap, Swayam Raut, a student from 6th standard, bagged the gold medal. Swayam played 5 bouts, 5 fights. Each bout is about 2 minutes, and he completed the bout within 35 to 40 seconds, due to which he was awarded with a trophy for the Best Judoka Award. In the Viva Inter-School Judo Tournament, 2 students got the gold medal, 1 silver, and 6 students bagged the bronze medal. In the speech competition held by Rotary Club, the first prize was bagged by a 6th standard student, Sakshi Rajak, and a student from grade 7th, Rishita Buddhadev, got the 3rd prize in the recitation competition. In the Carnival Inter-School competition, Master Vivan and Master Amrit Nidhi from grade 4 won the first prize for Eco Pioneer Science Model Making competition. A workshop on balanced nutrition and healthy choice for students of grade 4 was conducted in our school. Our students, along with their parents, participated in the foodie quiz to crack the code to healthy food. Miss Abha Kulkarni from Standard 4 stood 4th in this quiz competition. In the Kalabharti drawing and handwriting competition, Miss Aradhya Patane, of student of grade 3, won the first national prize in English handwriting competition, Kalashri Award. She has received a pure medal of 100 gram. It's a silver medal. In the recently conducted inter-school competition Eminence, our school bagged the first prize for the story weaving competition, second prize for Rhythm for Change, and our school was also the first runner-up among 20 schools, and we received a trophy for the same. All our school's achievements, activities, events are published in the Hindustan Times newspaper, students' edition paper, from time to time. This year, the theme for the annual day is Utsav, a celebration of togetherness. And I truly believe that this theme resonates deeply with the essence of what our school stands for. Utsav, meaning festival, is more than just a celebration. It is a reminder of the strength and beauty that lies in unity. Today, we celebrate the collective achievements of every individual who has contributed to making our school a nurturing environment. Our students, our teachers, our staff, and of course, you, dear parents. Each one of you plays a vital role in creating a vibrant, supportive, and and inspiring community. Throughout the year, we have strived to create a space where our students not only excel academically but also grow as compassionate, responsible, and well rounded individuals. From our pre primary section, where the smallest hands are learning the fundamentals of creativity and expression, to our secondary section, where our students are preparing to take on the world with their knowledge and skills, every step we take is fueled by the vision of nurturing togetherness. Today is a celebration of the hard work, dedication, and the spirit of collaboration that has brought all of us together. It is a result of the countless hours of preparation, teamwork, and encouragement from every member of our school family. It is a celebration of how we, as a community, uplift each other and work together to achieve greatness. My sincere gratitude to our Chairman Sir, Vice Chairman Sir, members of the School Management Committee, our Vice Principal Madam, Primary Section Head Madam, Pre-Primary Section Head Madam, and the teachers, parents, students, and our support staff. Wishing everyone an enjoyable and a memorable annual day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words have left an indelible mark on our hearts, and your presence has elevated this event to an extraordinary level. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are here to display and highlight the impeccable qualities we own, but there are certain renowned individuals from whom we draw inspiration and whose towering achievements inspire us to dream big and soar higher.
इस सुनहरी सुबह में खिलती हुई कलियां, पक्षियों की चहचहाहट, प्रसन्नचित्त वातावरण में गणमान्य अतिथियों से यह सभागृह आज अत्यधिक शोभायमान हो रहा है। आइए ऐसे देवता तुल्य अतिथियों का स्वागत हम बड़ी श्रद्धा और विनम्रता से करेंगे।
Your leadership and vision have been instrumental in shaping our school's journey, and we are honored to have you as a trustee member. I request Principal Ma'am to welcome Mr. M.K. Chaube, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We are forever grateful for your guidance, support, and trust in our school's vision. I request Principal Ma'am to welcome Dr. Hari Prasad Rai, sir.
अब मैं विद्यालय के प्रबंधन समिति के सदस्य माननीय श्री M.K. चौबे जी से सादर निवेदन करना चाहूँगी कि आप हमारे विद्यालय की प्राचार्य डॉक्टर सुष्मिता सावंत जी को पौधा देकर उनका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करें, जिनकी निष्ठा, समर्पण और सूझबूझ से इस विद्यालय का परिवेश सजा हुआ है। धन्यवाद सर। अब मैं विद्यालय के प्रबंधन समिति के सदस्य माननीय श्री M.K. चौबे जी से सादर निवेदन करना चाहूँगी कि आप हमारे विद्यालय की उप प्राचार्य श्रीमती स्मिता अय्यर जी को पौधा देकर उनका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करें, जिनकी समझदारी और नेतृत्व क्षमता हमें नया सीखने के लिए प्रेरित करती रहती है। धन्यवाद। अब मैं विद्यालय के प्रबंधन समिति के सदस्य माननीय श्री M.K. चौबे जी से सादर निवेदन करना चाहूँगी कि आप हमारे विद्यालय की प्राथमिक विभाग की प्रमुख अध्यापिका श्रीमती ममता शाह जी को पौधा देकर उनका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करें, जिनका मार्गदर्शन और सहयोग हमें सतत आगे बढ़ने की सीख देता है। धन्यवाद सर। अब मैं विद्यालय के प्रबंधन समिति के सदस्य माननीय श्री एम के चौबे जी से सादर निवेदन करना चाहूँगी कि आप हमारे विद्यालय की पूर्व प्राथमिक विभाग की प्रमुख अध्यापिका श्रीमती मीनू असगोलकर जी को पुष्पगुच्छ देकर उनका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करें, जिनकी मीठी वाणी और मंद मंद मुस्कान उनके धैर्यशीलता का परिचय देती है। धन्यवाद सर। मानते हैं हम जिसे गुरु अपना, दिखाया जिसने सफलता का सपना, पग पग पर दिया दिशा निर्देश जिसने, जिससे सजा विद्यालय का परिवेश। ऐसे ही साल भर हमारा दिशा निर्देश करते हुए इस विद्यालय के परिवेश में किए जाने वाले हर एक क्रियाकलाप को संक्षेप में प्रस्तुत करने के लिए मैं अपनी प्राथमिक विभाग की प्रमुख अध्यापिका श्रीमती ममता शाह जी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि मंच पर आकर वार्षिक विवरण प्रस्तुत करें।
Good morning, everyone. It is rightly said, education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Respected member of the School Management Committee, Shri M.T. Chaube sir, Dr. Hari Prasad Rai sir, our beloved Principal Ma'am, Dr. Sushmita Sawant Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Smita Dubey, Pre-Primary Headman Ma'am, Mrs. Meenu Asdolkar, Coordinators, Mrs. Zita Singh, Mrs. Smita Dubey and Mrs. Sabana Dooms. Dear teachers, parents and students, I, Mrs. Mamta Shah, the head of primary section, extend a warm welcome to everyone for our 15th annual day function. It is an enduring tradition to take time to pause, turn around, to look at the fruitful year gone by, achieving both the expected and the unexpected, while setting various milestones and then synergizing ourselves to move ahead to face the challenges in the coming year with a positive attitude. I thank Almighty for all the blessings bestowed upon us years after years. The aim of our school is not just to impart knowledge, but to foster the growth of responsible, well-rounded and lifelong learners who can contribute positively to society. Let me now share the yearly updates of our activities. We assure you that we did our best to achieve the planned goals, and we are proud of our students and teachers who made every effort. The report is a nutshell of all the activities this year. Parent orientation meeting was conducted in the month of June for students of grade 1 to 4 to familiarize themselves with school's academic standards and regulations. Environment Day was celebrated to sensitize students towards protecting nature for a better future. Yoga Day was celebrated and students were trained to perform yoga steps to improve the quality of their life. Investiture ceremony. Leadership is the capacity to translate the vision into reality. The investiture ceremony was held on 12th July 24, where the Students' Council for the academic year 24-25 was set up. Investiture ceremonies in schools are more than just formal events. They serve as a platform for recognizing and empowering young talents, instilling a sense of responsibility and nurturing their potential for the betterment of society. These ceremonies hold immense importance in shaping the character, values, and leadership qualities of students. Academic achievements. Achievement is largely the product of steadily raising one's level of aspirations and expectations. Open house for the first term was held in the month of November. Based on the performance of the students of second unit test, regular remedial classes for grade 3 and 4 were taken to improve the performance of the child. MCQ questions were introduced to make the child friendly with the examination pattern, which will improve the thought process of the child and encourage inquiry-based learning. Online classes were conducted by the teachers during the time of need. Value-based assemblies were held. Teachers motivated students to subscribe for Hindustan Times newspaper, which then built their vocabulary, reading and writing skills. It also motivates them to share their talents, achievements in the newspaper. Best Teacher Award was given to Mrs. Vaishali Tudu for her immense effort in the overall development of the students and the school. PTA activities. PTA works with the principal and the school site council to make the school a better place for children to learn and to reform the school system. Our PTA always takes the lead in extending his support along with his executive members, thereby being a strong pillar in all the school matters. Counseling sessions. It helps students to identify and manage their emotions, cope with stress, and build healthy relationships. The counselor also encourages the child personally to improve academically and emotionally. Students' workshop and seminars. Curiosity is the foundation of learning. This can be invoked in students through various workshops and seminars. Workshop and seminars provide strategies and new ways of thinking. The workshop was conducted for grade 4 students on Lupin Activate Achibut, which motivated to go for healthy food habits. A workshop on bad touch and good touch was conducted by our counselor to differentiate between safe and unsafe feelings and environment. A workshop on cancer awareness was organized for the students. Students contributed money for the noble cause, inculcating the joy of sharing and giving amongst all young learners. Online workshop was attended by teachers to meet new challenges in education. Workshop on Abacus Judo was held for grade 1 to 4 students and parents. Intra-school competitions. The system of education in Sharda Jnanpith International School is a blend of theory and practice in the right proportion to arrive at a comprehensive curriculum. Competitions and academic activities that go beyond the textbook and classrooms encourage and foster a healthy and competitive spirit and effective communication skills in the students. The activities are conducted at the classroom level, intra-level and inter-house level. Some of these events are handwriting, reading, recitation, storytelling, poster making, fancy dress competition, Marathi, Povada, singing, Hindi Doha, Pratiyodita and slogan writing competitions. The certificate to the winners are awarded during class assembly. Science, maths, general knowledge and English Olympiads are conducted every year and the students perform excellently at the local as well as the national level. Our students took part in various inter-school competitions and brought laudable laurels to the school. Hindi Divas was celebrated on 14 September under the mentorship of Hindi teachers. The students performed the dance and enacted on Swarti Pehchan. The students recited Hindi poem and said dohas on Kabir. Teachers' Day is a special occasion where we celebrate and show our appreciation for the teachers who play a vital role in our lives. Students perform a cultural show that includes songs, dance, speech to show their appreciation for their teachers. They also arrange fun games for the teachers. 2nd October is celebrated as Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. To pay tribute to his efforts on the freedom struggle and the ideologies, the students of grade 4th C organized a special assembly where they performed sit and dance to enlighten the inspirational life of Gandhiji with full exuberance. Children's Day was also celebrated by teachers. Teachers performed a dance and arranged games for students. We at SGIS always celebrate religious festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Christmas, Navratri and Deepavali. The students of Sharda Jnanpith International School also enthusiastically participated in No Bad Day celebration. The celebration was structured to effectively communicate the objectives, activities, outcomes, and the impact of event on the children. Picnics. Our school organizes picnics and field trips every year, which then extend learning outside the classroom, providing students with direct experiences and hands-on learning opportunities. Picnics then help students bond with their classmates and teachers and develop social skills. This year, all the students from grade 1 to 4 visited SMASH, which made them feel rejuvenated. Sports Day. Sports Day was celebrated on 29th November. It then helps students develop life skills like leadership, accountability, patience, and self-confidence. The sports events began with a delightful fundraise and relay race for our young athletes. The excitement continued with a mesmerizing drill display using hula hoops, showcasing the coordination and creativity of the young performers. A judo display by students captivated the audience, demonstrating agility, strength, and self-defense techniques. Towards the end, I thank us management, our beloved principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, pre-primary head ma'am, whose continuous support to our ideology of education has enabled school to achieve marvelous success. I express my gratitude to the wonderful teachers and the students for the ever-ready positive response to make this institution achieve its vision and mission. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to the parents who have shown unflinching faith in us by giving us the profound opportunity to transform their children into truly useful citizens of the future world. I also thank our office staff, support staff for their support. In conclusion, I thank Almighty for the manifold blessings He has showered to us this past years. So, dear parents, everyone just hold your breath and get ready for the amazing performances. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for showcasing the industrious work done by the school. Parents, kindly give a big round of applause to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Sharda Prasad Sharma ji. We are profoundly grateful to have our founder, trustee, chairperson with us today, a personification of excellence and an embodiment of relentless pursuit of knowledge. I request Principal Ma'am to welcome Sir. Thank you, ma'am. Dear parents, we request you not to click any pictures from your cell phones during the program. Pictures and videos will be provided to you later. Parents are requested not to leave the auditorium before the completion of program.
सभागृह में बैठे हुए सभी अभिभावकों से मेरा निवेदन है कि आप लोग अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन का उपयोग फ़ोटो खींचने और वीडियो बनाने के लिए न करें। राष्ट्रगान होने के बाद तथा हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथियों के जाने के पश्चात ही आप सभागृह से जाइएगा। धन्यवाद। साथियों, आइए हम उत्सव विषय पर इन 4 पंक्तियों के माध्यम से समझने का प्रयास करते हैं। जीवन एक उत्सव है, इसे जी भर मना लो। जीवन एक उत्सव है, इसे जी भर मना लो। कुछ हंस लो, कुछ गा लो। कौन जाने अगला पल क्या लाएगा अपनी मस्ती का, अभी तो बिगुल बजा लो। जीवन एक उत्सव है, इसे जी भर मना लो। वह खुशियाँ जो कल मनाओगे उसमें आज का उत्सव मना लो। कल की फिक्र में आज मत भूलो, आज का क्षण हर घड़ी जी लो। भविष्य पर संशय का पर्दा है, अतीत केवल यादों में जिंदा है। फिर वर्तमान को जीने का उत्साह बना लो। जीवन का उत्सव है, इसे जी भर मना लो।
Now let us get up, pull up our socks and embark on a joyful journey back to the magical realm of Utsav. Today we have invited you to relive the laughter, innocence, and boundless imagination that defined those precious years. Utsav is a tapestry woven with unforgettable moments. As we showcase our talented students through dance, drama, and music, let the spirit of Utsav fill the air. Together, we will celebrate the joy of learning, the beauty of friendship, and the cherished memories. So sit back, relax, and enjoy every moment. We will now hand over the mic to our little champs, Namra Patre, Sana Tambe, Shashwat Patel, Harsh More, and Rudra Nambyar.
A very good morning to all esteemed dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my dear friends present here. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you to this spectacular celebration, our annual day Utsav. Celebration togetherness. I am Namra.
And I am Sana. We are so excited to see all of you here today, and we promise that today's celebration will be one to remember. We have got a lineup full of amazing performances and unforgettable moments.
That's right, but before we dive into the festivities, we begin with the tradition that sets the perfect tone for this evening, a welcome song.
The welcome song is more than just a performance. It's a heartfelt expression of gratitude and excitement. So let's welcome our wonderful kids.
Magical performance. The grace of our roots can hardly be compared to anything else. You know, Sana, prayer is not just about words. It is connecting with the Almighty, expressing gratitude and seeking guidance. For this to ahead, it reminds us to stay humble and grounded no matter how big our achievements.
Let's call upon dancing into the divine performed by great second D and E as an offering of gratitude and hope.
चढला चरणी तुझ्या रे, चरणी तुझ्या रे, चरणी तुझ्या रे. शरण आलो बाप्पा तुला रे, बाप्पा तुला रे. जीव चढला चरणी तुझ्या रे, शरण आलो बाप्पा तुला रे. नाद घुमतो दाही दिशा रे, मंगलमूर्ती मोरया. तूच करता साऱ्या सुखाचा, दुःख हरता त्राता जगाचा. तूच आदी आणि अनंत, मंगलमूर्ती मोरया.
ढोल ताशात तारलेला, नाम घोषात रंगलेला.
महिमा तुझा मोरया, मोरया हे मोरया, मोरया हे मोरया, मोरया हे मोरया, मोरया हे मोरया.
नमस्ते शरण्ये शिवे शानुकम्पे, नमस्ते जगद्व्यापिके विश्वरूपे, नमस्ते जगद्वन्द्य पादारविन्दे, नमस्ते जगत्तारिणि त्राहि दुर्गे. नमस्ते जगच्चिन्त्यमानस्वरूपे, नमस्ते महायोगिनि ज्ञानरूपे, नमस्ते नमस्ते सदानन्दरूपे, नमस्ते जगत्तारिणि त्राहि दुर्गे. नमो देवि दुर्गे शिवे भीमनादे, सरस्वत्यरुन्धत्यमोघस्वरूपे, विभूतिश्शचिकालरात्रिः सती त्वं, नमस्ते जगत्तारिणि त्राहि दुर्गे.
What a magical performance! The grace of a root can hardly be compared to anything else.
Today we are going to explore something fascinating. Tell me, students, do you know what an astronaut is?
I have heard about astronauts. They are the one who go to space.
That's correct. Astronauts are like superheroes of science.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I know that astronauts are not just space travelers. They are researchers, scientists, and inspiration for all.
Let's enjoy Solar Symphony performed by grade 2nd A.
Mangalam Mission Mangalam. Mangalam Mission Mangalam. Mangalam Mission Mangalam.
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है.
Mangalam Mission Mangalam.
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है. चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है.
3, 2, 1, boom.
दिल में मार्स है, क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है. दिल में मार्स है, उड़ने की प्यास है. दिल में मार्स है. मंगलम मिशन मंगलम स्पेस मंगलम शटल मंगलम पूर्ण मंगलम स्टार्ट मंगलम क्रैश मंगलम क्रैश मंगलम प्रेम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम काउंटडाउन इग्निशन मंगलम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम टेलीस्कोप
Mission Mangalam. Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam. Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam.
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है.
Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam.
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है. चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है.
3, 2, 1, boom.
दिल में पास है, क्योंकि दिल में पास है, अपने दिल में पास है, उड़ने की प्यास है, दिल में पास है. मंगलम मिशन मंगलम स्पेस मंगलम शटल मंगलम फूल मंगलम स्वैग मंगलम हैश मंगलम टैग मंगलम प्रेम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम काउंटडाउन इग्निशन मंगलम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम टेलीस्कोप उड़ाए स्वाहा.
Wow, that was amazing! It's break time! But I forgot my lunchbox at home today.
You can take some of my fruits. I have plenty.
That's wonderful to see when friends support each other without expecting anything in return. You all saw that Rudra was in need and each of you stepped in without hesitation. That's the spirit of friendship, sharing and caring for each other.
Now let's call upon Unbreakable Bond from First Day and Def for celebrating the spirit of friendship.
किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा, किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा. मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या, मेरा तो यार है हीरा. मेरी जिंदगी संभाली, मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे खाक से उठा के. तू जो उठा तो कौन हंसेगा. मेरी जिंदगी संभाली, मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे खाक से उठा के. यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ, कहाँ ऐसा यार आना. यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है, यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है, यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है. ओ आजा लड़े फिर खिलौनों के लिए, तू जीते मैं हार जाऊं. आजा करें फिर वही शरारतें, तू भागे मैं मार खाऊं. सुनने को तैयार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ. देखो जो मैं तुझे से जुड़ा. It's been a long friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you
time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling emptied out, you fill my cup. Sing it out now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah! T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. Thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you.
What a magical performance! A big round of applause for our young dancers.
Shashwat, you look especially cheerful today. Did something exciting happen?
Yes, sir. My little sister was born yesterday. Holding her for the first time made me feel excited and different.
Exactly, Shashwat. Life becomes more meaningful when we know we are contributing to someone else's growth and happiness. Relationships like families teach us patience, empathy, and a sense of purpose. So without further ado, let's put our hands together for the celebration of life from grade 1st B.
Together
Wow, it was absolutely electrifying. Sir, yes, I am really looking forward to the celebration of Independence Day at school.
Independence Day reminds us of our freedom and development. Do shout for it. It makes me feel proud to be part of our country.
Exactly, Rudra. These celebrations help us to remember our histories, our heroes, and our values. They are not just days off, but they are a chance to show gratitude for our country's progress and reflect on how we can contribute to it. That's true, sir. Please welcome the Patriotic Harmony from Grade 1.
जहां पवन बहे संकल्प लिए, जहां पर्वत गर्व सिखाते हैं, जहां ऊंचे नीचे सब रास्ते बस भक्ति के सुर में गाते हैं।
जहाँ पवन बहे संकल्प लिए, जहाँ पर्वत गर्व सिखाते हैं, जहाँ पवन बहे संकल्प लिए, जहाँ पर्वत गर्व सिखाते हैं, जहाँ ऊंचे नीचे सब रास्ते भक्ति के सुर में गाते हैं। उस देवभूमि के ध्यान से मैं धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ। उस देवभूमि के ध्यान से मैं धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ। है भाग्य मेरा सौभाग्य मेरा, मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ। मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ और धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ। मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ और धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ, हो जाता हूँ, हो जाता हूँ। चल हो भारत का जीवन की धूप में छाओ हो तुम, बस छूने से तर जाए सबसे पवित्र वो पाओ तुम। बस लिए समर्पण तन मन से मैं देवभूमि में आता हूँ। है भाग्य मेरा सौभाग्य मेरा, मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ। मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ और धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ। मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ और धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ।
पिघला दे जंजीरें, बना उनकी शमशीरें, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, कर हर मैदान फतेह। घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाल तू जो फैसला।
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
Wow, that was absolutely mesmerizing. A huge round of applause for the performers, please.
Sir, festivals makes us happy and brings us together with our families and friends.
That's right. Festivals are the moments of joy, but they are also much more. They teach us values like gratitude, unity, and respect for our traditions.
Sir, festivals like Durga Puja, Navratri and Bhangra are not just about rituals and celebrations. They are reminders of our duty to uphold and fight against evil in all forms.
Please put your hands together for Festive Frenzy from Grade 2nd B and C, who will mesmerize you with their vibrant festivals.
खुशियों संगे लावी, हर खाए हय्यू हाय हाय, आशानी किरणों बिखराए, उमंग भी छलकाए, मन हड़वे थी गुनगुनाए हाय।
शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ, मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई।
रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी, आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी, ओ लावी, ओ लावी।
This is the tribute to Talaiwa from King Khan and one and only Yo Honey Singer.
मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance. Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance.
বলদে চড়ি আসিবে সিংগায় দিলাহা,
আরে সিংহা শুনি মরতেতে বাজিয়া উঠলো ঢাক।
কার্তিক গণেশ লক্ষ্মী সরস্বতী
শিবের সনে কার্তিক গণেশ লক্ষ্মী সরস্বতী আশ্বিন মাসে বাপের বাড়ি আসেন ভগবতী আশ্বিন মাসে বাপের বাড়ি আসেন ভগবতী
গৌরী এলো দেখে জানো, গৌরী এলো দেখে জানো, গৌরী এলো দেখে জানো, গৌরী এলো দেখে জানো, ভবের ভবানী আমার ভবন করিল আলো।
গৌরী এলো দেখে জালো গৌরী এলো
ਸਪੀਡ ਰਿਕਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਅਤੇ ਬੰਟੀ बैंस एंड कंपनी पेश कर रहे हैं हैवी वेट भंगड़ा। इस गाने के ऊपर भंगड़ा डालने के लिए डंड और बैठकें दोनों मारना।
ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਹੈਵੀ ਵੇਟ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਹੱਥ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਪੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਹੈਵੀ ਵੇਟ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਹੱਥ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਪੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਓ ਚੜ ਗਈ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਵੇਖ ਅੱਗ ਵਰਗੀ ਨੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਹੈਵੀ ਵੇਟ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਹੱਥ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਪੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਹੈਵੀ ਵੇਟ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਹੱਥ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਪੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੱਬਦੇ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਮਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਪੱਗਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਮੈਚਿੰਗ ਸੂਟਾਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਹੱਟਾਂ ਤੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਹੈਵੀ ਵੇਟ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਹੱਥ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਪੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਹੈਵੀ ਵੇਟ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਹੱਥ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਪੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ
It was absolutely amazing. Good morning, everyone. I can see some of you playing on your phone. What games are you all into these days? Well, old games are often very social and active. Games like kabaddi, hide and seek encourage physical activities, teamwork, and bonding with friends in real life.
That's a good point, sir. I remember playing Kho-Kho once and we all ended up laughing and running around. It was a great workout too. It's true. With all games, you can actually meet your friends and play together. While most new games are online, so you're just looking at the screen.
Exactly. Shashwat and Rudra. Exactly, Shashwat and Rudra. Both types of games have their pros and cons. Online games are creative and convenient, but outdoor games bring people together in a different way and are great for health too.
So our next performance is from grade 1 and ENG. Threads of Time. Old school meet new school games. Give them a big round of applause. What a performance! The energy, the drama, अरे
आज का प्रदर्शन आपको एक सफ़र पर ले जाएगा जहां पुराने और नए युग की झलक देखने को मिलेगी. The old generation with its value of simplicity and togetherness meets the new generation full of energy and innovation. आइए देखते हैं कैसे ये दोनों पीढ़ियां मिलकर एक खूबसूरत संगम बनाती है.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. हाँ, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. अरे ओडले ओडले ओ, 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 ओडले ओडले ओ. जाएगा ये जमाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। ओडले ओडले हो, 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 ओडले ओडले हो।
जश्नबाजी की शाम है, जश्नबाजी की शाम है। क्रिकेट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए तालिमा।
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई, तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई। दुनिया जलती है तो चले, दुनिया जलती है तो चले, रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे तालमा।
Let's celebrate the bond between tradition and modernity, because at the end of the day, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो, हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी। जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी। जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
What a performance! The energy, the drama, the emotions, they nailed it. An unforgettable way to end today's annual day filled with so much talent, hard work and joy. Thank you all for being this part of this incredible celebration. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the performances. Thank you.
Let us now welcome the showstoppers of the day, our teachers, with a big round of applause.
तेज थोड़ा मध्यम भी है, ढीले हैं थोड़े पर दम भी है। तुम तड़ाक हम भी है, इसी तरह रम भी है। सुर ताल से जगा है देखो इंडिया। नमस्ते 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 इंडिया। नमस्ते 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 इंडिया।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ
से, जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती।
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। प्यार बाज हम जान साज, हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। जय हो जय हो जय हो।
जैसे कोई शरीर बिना आत्मा के प्राणहीन होता है, वैसे ही कोई भी कार्यक्रम हो बिना किसी गणमान्य अतिथियों के प्रेरणादायी सानिध्य के बिना अर्थहीन हो जाता है। आज का यह कार्यक्रम हमारे गणमान्य अतिथियों की गरिमामयी उपस्थिति से ऊर्जामयी और आनंदमयी हो गया है। अब मैं अनमोल विचारों को अभिव्यक्त करने के लिए आदरणीय जनों को आमंत्रित करती हूँ। बिना इनके मार्गदर्शन और आशीर्वाद के कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाना असंभव है।
Your dedication to our school's mission and vision is inspiring. May I now request one of our most eminent trustee member, Dr. Hari Prasad Rai sir, to share his valuable thoughts.
Honorable Chairman Dr. Sarda Prasad Sharma ji, Member of the Managing Committee Sri M.K. Chaubey sir, Principal Dr. Susmita Samant Madam, Vice Principal Iyer Madam, Primary In Charge Mamta Shah ji and Meenu Madam, respected teachers, students and their parents. I have been called over here to convey you the message about the program and annual day celebration that we have been watching for the last 2 hours. I would like to narrate one incident from history that might convey the message I would like to convey. When Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan was imprisoned by Aurangzeb in the jail, he asked some children, you can say he requested Aurangzeb to send some children in the jail. Why? He wanted to become a teacher in the jail. But his wish was not fulfilled by Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb knew that the children my father would teach may change the fate of my life. So what I mean to convey here is, you, the teacher of primary section, is greater than an emperor. You are greater than a ruler. Why? Because you create the ruler. You create the emperor. Emperors and rulers have always bowed to the feet of primary teachers. You have never heard that a teacher might have bowed to the feet of an emperor. You are creator. Just I was watching over the program and there was a presentation about the astronauts. Do you know one of the greatest astronaut, Kalpana Chawla, who died? What she did, she was created by her primary teacher. Whatever the time she would get in her life from America, from USA, she used to call her primary teacher. Just you must have heard the name of APJ Abdul Kalam. In his autobiography, Abdul Kalam remembers his primary teacher Badruddin Tayyabji, and after holding the highest post of India, becoming the President of India, he himself goes to Badruddin Tayyabji and bowed down to his feet. So you are doing the great job. You are the creator. You create musicians, you create dancers, you create academicians. You sow the seeds of scientists in a child. You the seeds of a musician in a child. Just you are doing the great job and making us feel proud of you. Whatever you are doing for this institution, for the school, is very important. You are laying the foundation of a very strong and powerful country. And though I am not wearing a hat, hats off to you for your valuable contribution to the society and country. Thank you.
समझदारी, सहनशीलता वाणी में है जिनके विनम्रता, नेतृत्व क्षमता है जिनकी बेमिसाल, चेहरे पर सदा बनी रहती है जिनके मुस्कान। मैं निवेदन करना चाहूँगी विद्यालय के प्रबंधन समिति के सदस्य माननीय श्री एम के चौबे जी, आप अपने अमूल्य विचारों द्वारा हमारा मार्गदर्शन करें।
Honorable Chairman, Dr. Shradha Prasad Sharma ji, my friend Dr. Hari Prasad Rai, Principal Dr. Sawant Madam, Vice Principal or Iyer Madam, and the primary head Mrs. Mamta Shah, pre-primary head Mrs. Minu Asgolkar Madam, teachers, parents and my dear students. Friends, you have observed the entire performance of the children. You might have felt certain thing about the school. The school has given an opportunity to see such performances of the children. Therefore, it is always required on every parent to send the children to school. Otherwise, whatever is given as a subject matter, a subject teaching can be arranged at home also. If the facilities are available, a man is very rich, he can call the teacher, can arrange the teaching at home also. But what is the purpose behind sending a child to school is simple, that first of all, as I feel, that the child gets a team. At home he may not get team, but the moment he enters the school premises, he gets the team. Then what he finds? Teacher. He gets teachers, learned teacher, experienced teacher, born teacher they get. And teachers start teaching textbook. First of all, team, teacher, textbook. Then the textbooks are taught by the teacher. Teaching starts. And after a certain period of time of teaching, there is a test also of the talent. So journey starts from home, means that from team, and it comes to teaching. Then whatever is taught is tested after a certain period of time. And after test and examination, you might have seen that how the children becomes torch bearer in the society. And this credit goes to school only. The importance of school lies behind the development of the talent, development of the potential, development of the personality of a child. Otherwise, it is not possible at all. We are social animal. We require company. We require team. We feel that we have talent, but it should be unfolded. So in the school, we find the children together and identify their talent and potential, and therefore we start encouraging them. Identification is first, then encourage, then we empower them. And see how on these occasions, such program or such annual day function is arranged only because to identify their different aspects, different faculties of their talent. How far they are very much interested in dancing, speaking, singing, and dramatizing. So these all faculties are lying within, but we have to identify, and teacher does a lot. And this is the value of school. And Sarada Gyanpith aimed at as how the children's personality is to be developed in totality. In totality means physical aspect, mental aspect, emotional aspect, and spiritual too. So all-round development is to be made in the school in the best possible environment of Sarada Gyanpith school. And next point that I would like to bring to your notice, that you have also, and you are aware of the fact, that a child development is possible in the presence of parents, teachers, society, and neighbors, relatives, all these, in the presence of all. A child is surrounded by all these people, and with the help of them, in company of them, the child grows, develops slowly and slowly, and one day he becomes a very ideal citizen. And this is the aim behind the education and the school. The purpose of school is just to see how the personality of a child in all respect, in totality, is developed. So this is one of the aims, you may say. And second thing that I would like to bring to your notice, we have named it Utsav. We are celebrating. As I told yesterday, life itself is a celebration. We have to celebrate our life. And I feel sometimes that we celebrate that gratitude towards the Almighty who has given so much talent and potential to human being. Is it correct or not? Human being is given so much potential and talent that it is only because of Almighty. Therefore, we have to celebrate the feeling of gratitude towards Almighty. And second thing, my teachers. My teachers, how much efforts they make, you might have seen, how sincere and how hardworking our teachers are primary school. Of course, every teacher is talented here. And teachers put a lot of efforts in making them sing, dance, every activities. Even the sports day, you might have seen how children are active in sports also. So for the all-round development, our institution, Sarada Gyanpith, is very sensitive and very sensible. And my teachers are very sincere, honest, hardworking, and they are putting a lot of efforts. And see, to make a child of first standard dance or speak or sing, how difficult it is. How difficult it is. But it is made possible only by teachers. It teaches skill of teaching. So I must always say thanks to my teachers and say gratitude to my teachers' efforts. अब आइए आप सब लोग पालक अभिभावक वृंद जिनके सहयोग से ही सब कुछ संभव है, आप लोगों ने जितने भी परफॉर्मेंसेस देखे हैं उसमें एक दो या कहेंगे मैं 25% आपका सहयोग के कारण हुआ है. उसके बाद 25 टीचर्स हैं और 25 मैनेजमेंट मीन्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है और 25 मैनेजमेंट होता है. तो ये सबका सहयोग सबके साथ के साथ इस तरह के बच्चों के अंदर जो सुप्त गुण है उसको विकसित करने के लिए सबका सहयोग चाहिए. और आपका सहयोग हमेशा प्रशंसनीय रहा है. आप लोग हमेशा सहयोग देते हैं. आपका सहयोग, आपका साथ और आपके शुभेच्छा भी हमारे साथ है, इसलिए ये सब कुछ संभव है. हमारे आपके सामने केवल विद्यार्थी बच्चों का एक व्यक्तित्व के विकास का ही लक्ष्य है. किस तरह से वो एक आदर्श नागरिक बन सकें, आदर्श व्यक्ति बन सकें, उनके मन मस्तिष्क में, मन बुद्धि विवेक में एक सुंदर भाव पैदा होना चाहिए. एक सुंदर मानव बनाने के लिए हम सभी लोगों का प्रयास शिक्षा के माध्यम से हो रहा है. इसमें आपका सहयोग हमेशा प्रशंसनीय है. हम आपके सहयोग का हम स्वागत करते हैं. इसी तरह का सहयोग हमेशा आप लोगों से मिलता रहे, इसी विश्वास और भरोसे के साथ. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद सर. आपके अमूल्य विचार हमें सदा नया सीखने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं. परिश्रम और लगन ही जिनका आभूषण है, समझदारी और दूरदर्शिता जिनका सौंदर्य पुष्प गुच्छ की भांति संभाल कर रखा है जिन्होंने शारदा ज्ञानपीठ के कुटुंब को, उनको कोटि कोटि मेरा नमन. मैं सादर निवेदन करना चाहूँगी विद्यालय के अध्यक्ष महोदय माननीय डॉक्टर शारदा प्रसाद शर्मा जी से. आप अपने अद्भुत विचारों से हमारा मार्गदर्शन करें.
और कमेटी के मेंबर प्रिंसिपल M.K. चौबे जी, हरिप्रसाद राय जी, और प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर सुस्मिता सामंत, वाइस प्रिंसिपल मिसेस अय्यर, प्राइमरी हेड मिसेस शाह, प्री प्राइमरी हेड मिसेस मिन्नू असकोलकर, आप सभी पेरेंट्स, विद्यार्थियों, मैं आप सबका अभिनंदन करता हूँ. आप सबके प्रति अपनी शुभकामना व्यक्त करता हूँ कि आप जो है इतना समय सुबह सुबह आकर के यहाँ हम लोग के साथ व्यतीत कर रहे हैं. आपकी उपस्थिति हमारे लिए उत्साह पैदा करती है. आज हम लोगों का विश्वास बढ़ता है. जहाँ तक कि स्कूल की बात है, आप सब तो पेरेंट्स हैं, सब जानते हैं स्कूल कैसे काम कर रहा है, क्या है। हम लोग कोई अनुचित काम, कोई डोनेशन वगैरह नहीं लेते हैं। हमारे इस विद्यालय का लक्ष्य है कि हम उचित ढंग से संस्था चलाएंगे और अच्छे नागरिक बना करके समाज को देंगे। आज जो समाज की दुर्दशा है, मार काट, बेईमानी, अशांति, ये क्यों है? लोगों को जीवन क्या है, मनुष्य क्या है, उसके जीवन का लक्ष्य क्या है, ये लोग नहीं समझते हैं। झगड़ा ये सब क्या है? ये मनुष्य का काम नहीं है। इसलिए ही स्कूल कॉलेज की आवश्यकता पड़ती है कि हम अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा लिखा करके योग्य बनावें। गीता में भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा है, नई ज्ञानेन सदृशम पवित्रम यह विद्यते, कि इस सृष्टि में अर्जुन ज्ञान से बढ़ करके और दूसरी चीज इतनी पवित्र उत्तम नहीं है। तो सही ज्ञान अगर हो जाए तो जो समाज में बुराइयां हैं, युद्ध हो रहे हैं, कैसे कैसे लोग आज राष्ट्रपति बन रहे हैं, प्रधानमंत्री बन रहे हैं और झगड़ा कराते हैं। साधारण आदमी क्यों झगड़ा करेगा भाई? ये सब बड़ा आदमी बनना चाहिए, अहंकार, डिक्टेटर, एम्परर, और इसमें नुकसान हमारा आपका है। समाज में अशांति, भेदभाव, ये कौन पैदा करता है? सबको लड़ाने वाले कौन हैं? नेता कहिए, राजा कहिए, एम्परर करिए, वही है। हम चाहते हैं कि लोग शिक्षित होकर के सही रास्ते से समझें कि सत्य क्या है, हमारा जीवन क्या है, हम क्या चाहते हैं, हमारा जीवन सुखी कैसे होगा। यही सब सिखाने का काम हमारा है। हम हमेशा चाहते हैं कि हमारा स्टाफ, स्कूल, प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स बच्चों को कैसे जीना चाहिए, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग, उनके जीवन का उद्देश्य क्या है, इसको समझावें। हम चाहते हैं कि चरित्र बल में ऊंचा उठे। आज चरित्र की कमी है। पैसा तो खूब है, शराब भी खूब बिकती है, टेलीविज़न है, तरह तरह के डांस हो रहे हैं, ये तो है, लेकिन नैतिकता नहीं है, ईमानदारी नहीं है, परोपकार की भावना नहीं है, सदाचार नहीं है। हर जगह व्यापार होता है। ये व्यापार परिवार में भी आ गया है। बड़ा दुख हमको होता है। अरे परिवार प्यार के लिए होता है, एक दूसरे की सेवा करने के लिए होता है, एक दूसरे की मदद करने के लिए होता है, एक दूसरे के व्यक्तित्व को ऊपर उठाने के लिए होता है। एक दूसरे के व्यक्तित्व को पति का कर्तव्य है कि वो तो भी ऊंचा उठे और पत्नी को भी प्यार दे, अवसर दे कि पत्नी का भी स्तर ऊंचा उठे। बच्चे को प्यार दीजिए। हम हमेशा कहते हैं अपने टीचरों से कि आजकल घर में बच्चों को प्यार नहीं मिलता है। खूब देते हैं, टॉफी लो, क्या क्या लो, कोको कोला पियो, पैक, दुनिया भर का कचरा खाओ। क्यों भाई खिलाते हैं बच्चों को? सही अर्थ में उनको प्यार दीजिए, उनका लालन पालन सही ढंग से करिए, अच्छा सिंपल फूड दीजिए। यहाँ आते हैं टिफिन के लिए, केला दीजिए, संतरा दीजिए, सेव दीजिए, फल दीजिए, घर की बनी हुई रोटी सब्जी दीजिए, ताकि बच्चों का स्वास्थ्य बना रहे। स्वाद के पीछे उनका स्वास्थ्य बिगड़ता जा रहा है, आप लोग पढ़ते होंगे। फिर मोबाइल है, एक सब क्या है, नशा, जुआ खेलना। मोबाइल लोगों को जुआ खेलना सिखा रहा है। तो आप इन सब पर ध्यान दीजिए। हमारा अभी स्टाफ है, हम उनसे निवेदन करते हैं कि वे सोच समझ करके गहराई से बच्चों की साइकोलॉजी समझ करके परिस्थितियों को का अध्ययन करके ऐसे ढंग से पढ़ावें कि बच्चे सचमुच सदाचारी हों, समाज के लिए उपयोगी हों, समाज के लिए वो एक आदर्श बने। हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे समाज के लिए बर्डन नहीं, दे शुड नॉट बिकम द बर्डन ऑन द सोसाइटी, दे शुड सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी, दे themselves should not create problems for the society। ये इस ढंग का हम लोगों का मोटो है। आप सबका सहयोग में मिलता है। हम आप सबको धन्यवाद देते हैं कि आप लोग हम पर भरोसा करके अपने बच्चों को हमारे यहाँ भेजते हैं। ये आपकी कृपा है, हम आपके आभारी हैं। बच्चों से भी निवेदन है कि वो भी ठीक से करें काम। हमने तो देखा उनका जो है अभी जो भी प्रोग्राम हुआ है बहुत बढ़िया हुआ है, मुझे संतोष है। हमारे अध्यापकों ने मिल कर के बढ़िया प्रोग्राम तैयार किया है, हम उनको भी धन्यवाद देते हैं। धन्यवाद आप सब।
धन्यवाद सर, अपने अद्भुत ज्ञान और अनुभव से हमारा मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए।
Before we wind up today's function and bid adieu to you all, I would request our teacher, Miss Lynette Gonsalves, to come on the stage for a word of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today has been nothing short of magic, a perfect blend of joy, talent, and togetherness. As we come to the end of this delightful annual day celebration, it is my honor to extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this evening truly memorable. First, a big round of applause for our guiding light, our respected chairman, Dr. Sharda Prasad Sarma sir. Sir, your vision and commitment continue to uplift us. We sincerely thank Mr. M.K. Chaube sir, our esteemed management committee member. Your encouragement and guidance have been instrumental in shaping today's success. Equally, we are grateful to Dr. Hari Prasad Roy sir, our esteemed management committee member, whose wisdom and valuable guidance have been instrumental in shaping today's success. I will also like to thank our principal, Dr. Shusmita Sawant ma'am, for her exceptional leadership and tireless efforts in ensuring the success of this event. A heartfelt thanks to our Vice Principal, Mrs. Smita Iyer ma'am, for her constant support and valuable inputs. Thanks to our Primary Head, Mrs. Mamta Shah ma'am, whose tireless efforts and nurturing spirit brought out the best in our young learners. To Mrs. Meenu Asgolkar ma'am, our Pre-Primary Head, your warmth and creativity have truly helped our little ones shine so brightly. A special thanks to Mrs. Smita Dubey, our primary coordinator, for your support and cooperation throughout. To our talented anchors, Mrs. Shweta Singh and Mrs. Sushma Rai, thank you for your energy and charm in keeping the event lively and engaging. The spark that ignited every performance tonight came from you, our incredible teachers. You are dreamers, creators, and mentors who transform simple moments into extraordinary memories, leaving an indelible mark on this celebration. Your ability to inspire and nurture has made this event truly extraordinary. Our gratitude extends to the coordinator, Mrs. Geeta Singh, and teachers of the secondary section and primary section, who ensured discipline and decorum prevailed, allowing the event to flow beautifully. Behind the vibrant colors of the stage and the melodious music of the performances lie the contribution of many talented individuals. A special thanks to Ms. Hiteshri, our dance teacher, for the mesmerizing choreography that brought life to the stage, and to Shubham sir, our music teacher, for adding rhythm and harmony to this special day. We cannot forget the magic behind the scenes. Thank you, Ms. Meloni and Ms. Vaishnami, for your exceptional work on the PowerPoint presentation that added so much charm to the event. To Rajnish sir, Your technical expertise ensured a seamless experience, proving once again that technology, when handled with skill, can create wonders. A special thanks to our sound and audio team and photographer for capturing and presenting every moment flawlessly. Thank you to the parents for being our pillars of support and for trusting us with your precious children. Your presence today speaks volumes about the love and encouragement you bring into their lives. To our little stars of grade 1 and 2, wow, you have stolen the show. Your innocence, enthusiasm, and talent have lit up the stage and filled our hearts with pride. You have shown us that dreams, no matter how small, can shine brightly with determination. A special thanks to our office staff for their meticulous coordination and support behind the scenes. To our support staff, your dedication and hard work have ensured everything ran smoothly, making today's event a grand success. Lastly, to everyone present here today, thank you for being such a wonderful audience, cheering on every act with so much love. You have made this day even more special. As we close this chapter of celebration, let us carry forward the joy, laughter, and friendship that define today. May we continue to grow together, dream together, and shine together. Thank you and have a splendid day. Now, I would like to request everyone to stand for the Maharashtra Git followed by the national anthem.
जबाब देती जिभा सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गर्जतो शिवशंभू राजा
दरी दरीतून नाद गुंजला महाराष्ट्र माझा
जय महाराष्ट्र माझा जय महाराष्ट्र माझा
काळ्या छातीवरी कोरली अभिमानाची लेणी
पोलादी मनगटे खेळती खेळ जीव घेणी
दारिद्र्याच्या उन्हात शिजला निढळाच्या घामाने भिजला देश गौरवासाठी झिजला दिल्लीचेही दस्तराखी तो महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा
गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे